Dalat is a beautiful Vietnamese gem. It's all about cool breezes off of Xuân Hương Lake, motorbiking, rolling hills, thundering waterfalls, and fragrant flowers, old French villas, and the home of the Dalat Flower Festival. It's a uniquely special experience. Another distinct flavor Dalat has to offer is Kaha coffee. It's both a coffee farm, coffee roasters, and coffee shop. So seriously, plug it to my veins. It's got a cool backstory of a husband and wife couple too. Josh grew up in the States and was working in Cambodia doing agricultural development work when he came and fell in love with Vietnam, and more specifically, Roland Polien. Roland is a fourth-generation coffee farmer from the Kaha ethnic group. In 2012, this awesome Christian husband and wife power couple founded Kaha Coffee here in Dalat. This family business offers freshly roasted, sustainably grown, specialty grade Arabica coffee. Anyways, I got carried away. So they have this farm, they grow a bunch of different cultivars of coffee, they make their own goods and actually sell woven baskets from the Kaha people. It's all about caring for others. The ethnic cultural goods are made in the community and it's really self-sustaining. They do everything themselves from growing, harvesting, picking, drying, and roasting. And they serve the coffee from seed to sip. Your cup is filled with the majestic splendor of coffee grown in the backyard, roasted on the deck, and sipped in the garden with friends. This is a proverbial high five of justice for your mouth. It's a great little coffee shop. Come on by, get a fresh cup of coffee, and a majestic high five.
Su Christ bắt tao đang lao chơi con rai nè Pali